Hi there, welcome back to another Viva Naturally video. Today I'm going to talk about some spring cleaning tips. I'm also going to share some products that will help you in the process. And last but not least, I will share some Viva Naturally Juicy updates. Welcome to the Viva Naturally channel, where we help you to manage your energy and health to boost performance. Here in the United States, spring starts on March 20th and it ends on June 21st. So depending on which side of the world you are at, you can either apply some of these tips now as you shift into spring, or you can use them for whenever that time comes. You may have heard of spring cleaning in the past, which includes cleaning out your house, doing a deep cleanse, decluttering all of your rooms, replacing certain things, and it actually happens in Mother Nature too, which is why it's very common for spring season to be high allergy season, whether it is coming out of winter and going into spring or somewhere along those lines. If you suffer from seasonal allergies, this video will also help you, because I'm going to give some tips and some of the things that I've used to help go through that process. I don't have allergies myself, I don't have seasonal allergies, but I do notice that my immune system tends to be a little bit challenged during this time, and therefore I focus a lot on self-care so that I don't get a cold or I don't feel weak, but it's normal. So you may notice a shift also in your energy levels, because not only are you doing spring cleaning in your home and maybe even in your office, but your body is going through a cleanse as well. So with that in mind, just know that it's important to take things easy, to not overwork, and to focus on self-care. I have a video about self-care, by the way, and I'll post a link to that below so that you can know and practice more of it during this time. It should be throughout the whole year, but during this time especially. In addition to that, I'm going to share some of the things that I've been using to help me strengthen my immune system. Not only is eating healthy an important factor of strengthening your immune system, you also have to keep in mind that drinking enough water and stay hydrated throughout the day is key, and getting sufficient rest. That includes sleep and quality sleep. So 8 hours may not be enough. There may be certain things that you have to do before you go to bed and when you wake up. Those routines can set you up for success so that you can get really deep quality sleep and be able to strengthen your immune system. That's actually where my weakness lies, because if you overwork and you go to bed later than usual and you wake up early and your routine changes, especially when you travel and you have a lot of jet lag and your schedule is always fluctuating. So this is a time when your immune system can get compromised. For me personally, just a few days ago, I completely lost my voice, and I knew it was because I was overworking. I was not getting enough rest, even though I was still exercising and getting quality good foods and eating healthy, and I was taking my supplements. As you can see, it's not just one or two things. It means everything. Your lifestyle, even the amount of stress that you have in your life, can impact your health. So I started with a sore throat, and that's how I know that, oops, something is coming, I need to take care of myself. And so I started doing that. But as you know, when you don't get enough sleep over time, there's no catching up. So eventually I completely lost my voice for like 2 days, and I definitely rested more on purpose to try and help my body recover. But I'm gonna share a couple things that I use to help me through the process. Especially if you have, it could work for you if you have allergies. Like I said, I don't have allergies, but it will work for you as well, because everything's connected. And then if you experience some sort of cold or like a sore throat, I didn't have any cold symptoms. It was just my throat that was having a hard time. And I was doing a lot of presentations, so over talking, that can also exert your throat in general. So the first thing that I like to use is this tea, which I got from Publix. It's called Throat Soothing, and it's caffeine free, it's organic. But mainly the ingredient, the reason why I got this one in particular is because the main ingredient that I'm interested in is licorice root. It's really good to boost your immune system and anything related with your throat and your respiratory system. So this one in particular has organic licorice root, peppermint leaf, ginger, lemon, fennel, and Schisandra berry. And all are good for all the properties that I mentioned, so I recommend that you check that out. And if you don't have a Publix near you, those are some of the ingredients that you should be looking for, primarily the licorice root. You can blend it in teas and have it in other ways. The next thing that I like to use is these On Guard or protecting throat drops from doTERRA. So I've talked about essential oils before, and there's some videos in the channel that you can check out. But these throat drops, as you probably already know, throat drops are a common thing whenever you have a sore throat or your voice, or even when you have a cold or the flu, because it may tend to get a little bit drier and so forth. So I don't like to use a lot of those throat drops because they have artificial flavors and ingredients and even like sugar-free stuff, and I just try and stay away from all that, and I want like plants and herbs and things that will help me heal faster, and try and stay away from conventional medicine as much as I can. So these are really helpful because they actually have ingredients that are natural, including orange and cinnamon and rosemary and myrrh and clove and many other oils that are natural. So the reason why I buy them from doTERRA, which is the company that I use my essential oils from, is because this On Guard is a blend of these essential oils that help to strengthen your immune system. So I already know, and I've tried it. They actually sell the bottle also in liquid form. So like if you want to just have like a tea, you can put 2 drops of On Guard in warm or hot water and drink that. You can diffuse it. If you have a diffuser, you can put a couple of drops in the diffuser, and then that will help you go through your respiratory system. Your pores will also absorb it. So, I use On Guard. It's part of my medical kit, if you will, because it has really good properties, ingredients, and I use it, and it works well. So these throat drops are nice. They taste good, and they actually help. It is really good to clear up your throat, and you know that you're actually getting a good benefit out of it because the ingredients are actually will help you strengthen your immune system. And then this oil from Bayan Botanicals. It's an Ayurvedic oil which helps with your entire respiratory system and all of lubricating your nasal passages, which again, even if you have throat issues, everything is connected at the end of the day. And I highly recommend this for anybody who has allergies and who is transitioning, has either some sort of congestion in their nose, throat, ears. So this Nasia oil is helpful for these reasons, and it tells you the instructions of how to use it. And yeah, all you have to do is put a couple of drops in each nostril and let all of that lubricate and penetrate and help you through the process. And it's really good for that reason. So I also want to talk about, in general, spring cleaning. You will probably use a lot of products to clean your home, deep cleaning, etc. And I have a video that talks about the toxins that are in our daily products, including your cleaning products. So I'll leave a link to that below. And I just want to stress briefly that you should not be using cleaning products that have chemicals, and I personally don't use them. I don't even use bleach because I notice a difference, and there's definitely studies that have shown, when you watch the video, I talk about it, and you'll see that it's true. It affects our health. Whatever we put in our bodies, outside our bodies, if we inhale it through any of our pores, including our nose and our skin, it still is as impactful as if you were to drink it or eat it. So just be mindful of that. And I wanted to share a product that I use as a multi-purpose cleaner for your bathroom, your kitchen, anywhere in your home, that actually is pretty good. It's not only does it remove dirt, but it actually cleanses really good, and it smells nice. It has some essential oils, and it's pretty strong without having the chemicals, and it's not even tested on animals either. So some of the ingredients are essential oils and some extracts and things that are good to clean but aren't harmful for our bodies. It's called Ms. Mayer's Clean Day, and this is made mainly from lemon and verbena scent. And I really like to use this product for anything really. I like it. I buy it from Thrive Market. This brand, they have many other types of cleaning products, including for soaps, and this is the same product I use for my hand soap, and not this one in particular, but the same brand I use also for washing clothes. If you find something else that is more on the natural side, that is a different brand, I say go for it, as long as it doesn't have those chemicals. And you can also go the DIY way. Some of the main ingredients that I recommend, and it's super easy and actually less costly, is if you, in a spray bottle, add in some water with lemon and vinegar. And if you have this On Guard essential oil, this is really good also to clean. In general, what I say is if it's something that you won't consume it internally, then don't use it as a cleaning product. So this is something that you can consume internally, so you can also use it to clean a surface or to clean anywhere in your home. Add like 5 to 10 drops. And I also like to use baking soda. Vinegar and baking soda go really well when it comes to cleaning anything in your home, and lemon. So if you use that, and there's many DIY ingredients and recipes out there that you can use to clean, and I bet that you have most of the ingredients already in your home, so that's a good thing. But if you want something quick and not have to buy a sophisticated line of products that are expensive, you can go that route as well. So I get this and all of the Ms. Mayer's Clean Day products. Again, like I said, there's a variety of things, not just a multi-purpose spray like this one, from Thrive Market. I've talked about Thrive Market before, and I actually have a video about me doing an unboxing of one of my orders, and I'll put a link to it below if you want to see it. And I've been using Thrive Market for a couple months now. I love it. I think that you get so much out of it, because not only are the prices less, but you also get free shipping for most of your orders depending on how much you order, and you get a variety of options. So of course, it eliminates also having to go to the store and buying things. I buy still things from Amazon, but I'm shifting to buy more of like food and personal products and cleaning products from Thrive Market, because I get a bigger discount there. So I'm gonna actually give you a discount code where I think it's 20 or 25% off. Yes, I think it's 25% off or so, where whenever you shop at Thrive Market, if you use my link, you'll get that automatically added to your cart. So, and that's nice, because then you can get the benefits of the discount plus the discount prices that are in the store online. And I'll leave that link below so you can check it out as well. Last but not least, I wanted to share with you some Viva Naturally updates. First, regarding our YouTube channel, we're going to be posting a video every month as opposed to every week, which is what we've done in the past. If we want to and feel like posting more because of content, or if we're doing something in particular, then we will, and we'll announce it. But for the most part, the videos will be posted monthly, and the reason is because we're working on launching our Viva Naturally podcast. I'm really excited about the news, and it's something that we've been working behind the scenes, so stay tuned. I will announce when the first episode will come out. I personally love podcasts. I listen to so many podcasts, and the reason why we wanted to do Viva Naturally podcast and focus on that is because you can listen to a podcast anywhere you go, while you're driving, while you're exercising, while you're cooking, while you're cleaning, while you're taking a rest, and you don't even have to look at a screen. You need less internet bandwidth. You can pause and play, you can share. Like, it's just, the information is so much easier to consume, and I want to give that to you as well. So as a user of a podcast or many podcast shows, channels, I find it valuable to also give back to our community and to you as a listener and viewer that opportunity to use as well. So stay tuned for that, and I will definitely be asking some of you, actually all of you, to give us some input as far as some of the topics that you want us to discuss. And I'll talk more about that in the future of what the podcast is going to be about and how we're going to, and the content delivery and all that, but I just wanted to give that general announcement. Also, as far as Facebook Lives, we have in the past done Facebook Lives weekly as well, but I find it that Instagram, we get more engagement and interaction from Instagram than we do on Facebook. We have people on both platforms, so I'm going to focus on posting more content there, and some of that will be added onto Facebook. But as far as Facebook Live videos, those will vary, but I'm going to focus more on Instagram Live videos. So if you feel one way or the other, and if you're somebody who listens to Facebook more and wants to jump on over on Instagram and find me there as I do any videos. Actually, on Instagram TV, there's an option where you can look at a video, and it's actually better than like a regular video, a live video. And I'll talk more about that also in the future, probably on Instagram, but I just wanted to give you an update here because all of these social media is connected. And just in general, I've mentioned before that I am on track to becoming an Ayurvedic practitioner. So there has been a lot of training that I've been doing in the back, so that's probably why you haven't heard from me as much as before. I'm very excited to share a lot of projects that are cooking right now behind the scenes that I'm preparing for you. But for now, I'm very focused on a lot of these projects and on gaining all of that knowledge and experience to be able to deliver to you, to help you live your most healthy and energized self as possible so that you can thrive in your life with whatever you have going on. So with that, we've covered everything. It's a longer video than usual, but it was a lot of things that I wanted to share. It's been a while since we posted a video, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, or you can reach out to me, email, social media. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.